Hi, my name is Charles Chapman. I have a fraud on the court case. 2004, my wife filed for divorce, and her attorney was Stephen Johnson. At that point, he threatened to take everything I own, ruin my reputation and my career when he was her attorney. They non-suited the suit after mediation and him threatening me. And then in 2015, my wife filed again. The judge that signed for my divorce decree was her first attorney, Stephen Johnson. I've been incarcerated for 582 days on a void judgment, on a void divorce decree. The judge cannot be the attorney for one of the litigants in the same matter of controversy under Texas Rules of Civil Procedure 18B1A. The judge must disqualify any order, judgment, or rendered from that judge is void and of no effect. Subsequently, any order or decree rendered after that is void as well. I've been fighting this case for 10 years. They've stolen my ranch. The judges and attorneys in Lubbock, they've threatened to kill me. The sheriff has threatened to kill me. I have all this on video. They sold my ranch in Lubbock to a guy that is friends with the Chief Justice for the Amarillo Court of Appeals. The corruption is deep. My life is in danger. They're trying to get me for stalking, for contacting this attorney named Matthew Lawrence Harris out of Lubbock, Texas. He's a criminal. This has got to stop before somebody gets killed. The guy that videoed the sale of my ranch is now dead after I contacted the friend of the judge that told him that he was in possession of stolen property. 20 days after I contacted him by mail, Joe Alpenalpa was dead behind my house. This is corruption and organized crime. Also, Senator Charles Perry knows about this. All the water issues in the Texas legislative session this last year in 2025 discussed water issues, and most of it was concerning my ranch in Lubbock. The judge, Brian Quinn, the Chief Justice for the Amarillo Court of Appeals, owns property in close proximity to my ranch, and he stands to gain, according to this contract, is $250 million. They fraudulently stolen my property, which is worth about $160 to $180 million. The fraud is deep. It goes to even Speaker of the House, Dustin Burrows. I was present at one of his fundraisers. I told him about this issue, and they continue to avoid me, and they don't want to discuss this issue. Even under the Texas Constitution, Article 5, Section 11 of the Texas Constitution states that no judge shall sit in the case and must disqualify. So there are two prongs or 2 points of the law in my case since 2016, and this is 2015. I've been fighting this going on 9 years, and they won't leave me alone. They have sold my other property. My wife's second attorney, because the other one was the judge, says that he owns my other property based on child support. That entire divorce decree, child support, and property division is void. That's my story, and I sure could use some help.